Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to take a look at how we can easily rotate text within our designs. So here we have a design logo, and if we wanted to change the design slightly and rotate the text, all we need to do is click on the text and highlight it. Here we can see we have two little arrows in a circle, and that is going to allow us to rotate the design, and all we need to do now is rotate it round, and here we can see as well it gives us the rotation degrees, and then we can just adjust our design until we are happy with the rotation of it and it's lined up to be exactly where we want it to be. Once it's rotated and you are happy, you can also use the little handles at the corners and we can resize our design accordingly, and you can keep playing about and keep changing the rotation. That's how easy it is to rotate text inside of Canva. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.